here on the MV Confederation PEI Ferry, and these were originally northern elevators, but TK got their hands on them. Let's go down to A. I'll have to back up a notch and watch the floor number when we're going down. Here we are on A. Let's go back up to E.
Ooh, what's the noisy guy?
Press E and then A. Watch the arrow lantern. I didn't do this. That's what you did with the bell trip. Oh well. This is the port side elevator. There is another one, but I'm not going to have time to film it. We're going to take one more round. TK did a great job on this installation, or modernization, excuse me. And the cab is extremely colorful. Imagine the elevator motor sound like this. And we're gonna next up on E. When we exit the elevator, we'll watch the door close and end the video.
E deck.
There it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.